County ma Mombasa kaluwore gi midhusi mar tuo mar MPOX ma nyaka ne fweny tuo no e pacho ka dwe mar auchiel higa mokalo. Chenro mar chiwo puonj ne jodak e kaunti no bende koro osechakore ayanga ahinya to e gwenge manofwenye ji ariyogo. Lipode moko bende osechwal mag gwenge ma Changamwe kod Mvita. Kochopo sani kwan duto mar jogo moseyud gi midhusi mar MPOX pacho ka romo 226. E kindego apisas mag thieth ojiwo oganda mondo mi orang rang'iny margi maler ahinya to kokadho yor logo kinde ka kinde.
What is happening currently ni kwamba there's a lot of active community transmission, that is kuambukizaji kwa within the community that is happening. Yeah, and it's because the community has not accepted that this is an active transmission that is happening within their communities.
Wengine pia wakipata harara, kwa hivyo tunahamasisha jamii ya kuwa ukipata rash ama upele ambao huuelewi, tafadhali enda katika kituo cha karibu, uhakikishe kuwa umeonekana na daktari, na kama mwenzangu alivyoendelea kusema, tume designate kituo ambacho ni Coast General Utange cha kuhakikisha kuwa tunaangalia cases hizi za MPOX.
I want to see the public taking precautions, and I also want to see the public talking about MPOX. The fact that we are not talking about MPOX enough by the public, that means people still feel like MPOX is not very risky. So I want to see the public changing their risk perception of MPOX.